Welcome to Elevate Chiropractic. This is our Plano location. You can find us at the intersection of 75 and Plano Parkway, inside of the Vibe Business Suites. Come along with me and I'm going to show you the way. You're going to park and come through the main lobby, and you will find us at the end of the hall in Suite 120. Our office is family and pet friendly because on some days you will meet our office dog, Jemma. We are a family practice first, and that means we help the parents and their kiddos thrive. We wanted a space that encapsulates this message for our community. We also offer products like LMNT for our active clients post-recovery. When you come in for your visits, we have a massage decompression table to help you disconnect from your day. Then you will go get your adjustment. Another specialty we offer is our accidents and injuries. With that comes our exercise rehabilitation area. We strive to be one of the best, if not the best, chiropractor in Plano, North Dallas, and beyond. We would love the opportunity to be your chiropractor. See you soon.